If you are serious about keeping your crypto safe, you should be thinking about storing it in a wallet of some kind. The larger your holdings are, the more pressing a concern this should be. Although exchanges have beefed up their security protocols, but despite these precautions, there is no substitute for using a reputable wallet and holding those all-important private keys yourself. Trust Wallet is one of the most recognizable and popular software wallet options. It supports over 160 digital assets and allows users to stake their coins to earn interest. It also offers a built-in Web3 browser that gives users access to decentralized applications, dApps, built on the Ethereum platform. We're going to have a detailed look at it in this video, but before that, I would like you to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so you can receive notifications for other crypto-related videos by our side. Originally designated to hold ERC20 and ERC223 tokens, it now holds those built on other blockchains. Coins can be bought through the native decentralized exchange, DEX, that runs through Trust Wallet's collaboration with the Kyber network. The Trust Wallet app is available as a free download for both iOS and Android. Much of its functionality can be attributed to the fact that its code was written in the native languages of each platform, iOS's Swift and Android's Java. The app runs on iOS 10 versions or higher and Android 5 and up. Two other key features of Trust Wallet are focused on user privacy and security. It doesn't ask for any KYC when setting up a new account, and, as a non-custodial wallet, does not store any user data. It also allows users to store their private keys locally on their devices rather than just on Trust Wallet's own servers. The user interface is clean and straightforward, making it easy to download, set up, and get started. Since July 2018, Trust Wallet is now also a partner with Binance, which has helped it accrue more users, and the number is above 5 million now. This partnership with the biggest name in the crypto space is sure to keep users flocking to Trust Wallet and will almost certainly fuel the development of further features on the app. In terms of fees, Trust Wallet is entirely free to download and to use, with no upfront payments or subscription fees. The only costs incurred are gas fees for processing transactions. These are paid either to miners or to those proof-of-stake chains that charge them. Finally, as far as the question of backup is concerned, Trust Wallet has addressed it through the use of a 12-word recovery phrase. When setting up their wallet address, users are given one of these phrases to write down and store securely. If anything goes wrong, this can be retrieved and entered to recover access to the account. It goes without saying that this should be written down and stored with the utmost care as a priority when going through the setup process. This was all for this video on Trust Wallet. See you in the next video. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment. Bye.